Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside Rivet nut tool with accessories, 151 piece set included inside, ideal for riveting nuts, for installing a counter borehole using a riveting nuts, dimension M5, M6, M8, M10 and M12. For each rivets we've got 30 pieces included. You can use it for metal pipes or sheet metal, and for plastic, why not? I'm sure you're gonna find out the right material to use this rivet nut. Now let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can use it. I will guide you through all the process, find out together how we can use this tool. Nice case, I like it. Very durable. Carry on with you. And there we are. The manual, of course, inside. If you want to use it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Now inside we've got the rivet nuts in a lovely plastic case, M12, M10, M8, M6 and M5. Nice. Wrench key. Inside we've got the module, color coded, we can see. Let's see the M5. There it is, with a nose piece. I will show you how you can install it at the tool. And the M12, the larger one, included, of course, in the nose piece. And it is pre-installed, the M8. There's the tool. It opens just like that. We've got this handle. It is very soft, Parkside logo. All the tool is from metal, only this is from rubber. Here it is the knob. You can use this knob when you're finishing your job, unscrew, and you can release it from these nuts. I will show you, of course. Parkside logo here. Now to replace this module from the front, we've got the wrench key. Unscrew that. And then you need to pull with your finger this socket and unscrew the module. You can take this out, very easy. Well, let's choose the M10. I will start the test with the M10. And again, pull this socket and screw it back. And then you can release it and it will lock. That was very easy. Take the nose piece, tight it very well, and that was all. Next, we need to choose the 10 rivet nut. Goes here, open, and screw it more, tight it very well. And next we can see we've got some tension here. And we need to drill a hole at the metal. But before starting the test, we need to know the dimension of this rivet nut. Take your digital caliper, take the 10M, and the 10M it is 12.86. That means you need a 13mm metal drill bit. For the 12M, you need a 15mm metal drill bit. For the 8M, you need 11mm. For the 6M, you need a 9mm drill bit. And for the 5M, you need a 7mm drill bit. Nice. Now I have drilled the metal for the 10mm rivet nuts are very tight for the 6mm and the 5mm. Holes need to be very tight with the rivet threads, otherwise it will move around. Let's say you've got this 8mm at this hole, and we can see it is a very large hole and it's moving around. This is not a correct drilling hole. But for the others, we can see it's not moving around. It's very correct. Nice. And of course, we can see the two threads inside of its rivet nuts. You've got your screw. Nice. It depends the project you've got, and choose the right screw. And we've got this gap around. You can see it will help you to grab the metal very tight. Well, let me show you how it goes. Let's start with a 10mm. Now I have already installed it. 10mm. Press against the metal and then just press. And that was all. Now you need to unscrew with that. And that is the first rivet nuts. You can see, install it. Very tight. Let's do and the others. But to do that, we need to change to the 6mm module and screw this. Pull. And let's go to the 6mm. Pull again. Release. Very easy. Take the 6mm, screw it here, open that, screw it more, take your metal, and then just tight it. And unscrew. Nice. And we can see here how it looks. It is very tight. It's not going anywhere, it's not moving. Okay, let's move on to the other now. We need a 5mm. It is the same process. Unscrew that. Choose the 5mm rivet nut, open that, and we're okay. Take the metal and tight it. Okay, that was all. And unscrew. And we can see definitely is doing a great job. The rivet nuts are very tight at the metal. Next, find your screw that you want to install. It depends the project. Find the best type of screw that is suitable for you. And here. And do your job well. I like it. Definitely is doing a great job. Now, if you want to adjust how much tight it will be these rivet nuts at the metal, you can do that from this adjustable knots. It's very easy. Just unscrew this. can see here, and then you can unscrew further out or further in this socket, and that's how you can adjust how much tight it will be the nuts at the metal. And here we can see the differences, how much it has been bent, this rivet nuts, compare it with this smaller. Nice, I like it. Well guys, that was all about. For the cost of 30 euros only, you can have this rivet nut tool with all these accessories. Definitely is worth the money. The rivets nuts are so many, about 150. Definitely is worth the money to buy it. And with all this mother replacement and this case color coded, I think it's worth the money to buy this tool. For me, thumbs up. Definitely is doing a great job. I like it. And if you need to use it for metals, soft metals, whatever kind of type of metals, definitely it will do the job. And why not? And for plastics. The M5 is suitable for 0.5 to 2.5 millimeter, the M6 from 0.5 to 3 millimeter thickness, the M8, M10, and M12 is suitable for 0.5 to 3.5 millimeter thickness of the metal. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button, and that was all. Save this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.